Can a 5-minute freeway drive carry us from one California city into another community?
You bring me down for all to see. Then switch it up and treat me.
We are traveling north on US 101, leaving the northern side of Santa Maria and heading toward Nipomo.
But you bring rain. I still love what you do to me. The highest highs, the lowest lows.
The city quickly opens into broad farmland, golden roadside grass, and low hills beneath a vivid blue sky.
Can't get enough. Please let me be. But I love what you do to me.
White clouds rise in graceful layers, bringing depth and movement to the peaceful Central Coast landscape. Open fields stretch beside the freeway while scattered trees and distant ridges soften the wide horizon.
The finer things you keep from me. And then you touch. And I feel so much. I just love what you do to.
The road remains smooth and steady, offering a calm view of the agricultural countryside north of Santa Maria. Cultivated slopes and roadside growing areas reveal how closely farming and travel share this part of California. A green sign announces Willow Road, exit 180, 1 mile ahead, and confirms our approach to the Nipomo area. Tall trees briefly gather beside the highway before the view opens again toward fields and sunlit hills.
I love what you do to me. You bring me down.
The Willow Road exit appears on the right as US 101 continues north through the southern Nipomo landscape.
Right. You promise sun, but you bring rain. I still love what you do to me. The highest high.
Long greenhouse structures follow the base of the hills, reflecting the agricultural character of this region.
You take me to every extreme. Can't get enough. Please let me be. But I love what you do to me.
Golden slopes, green fields, and magnificent clouds create a bright final view as the journey continues toward Nipomo. See you on the next road. Goodbye.